great love. Through all the ups and downs we've conquered together in these past 4 years, every moment was worth it. I truly don't think God could have handpicked a more perfect man for me. You are the most selfless, big-hearted, strongest, and most respectable person I have ever met.
From the moment I met you, I knew my life would never be the same. I was just some kid from Ohio with no real direction, no purpose, no idea where I was headed. I didn't realize how lost I truly was until you walked into my life.
You never need to fight your battles alone again. You never have to wonder if you're enough again. Your tears are my tears, your fights are my fights, your struggles are my struggles. We're a team, and a pretty damn good one if you ask me. You guys can turn around.
Oh my God! It's beautiful!
I wanted more for myself, but I never imagined it would come in the form of a Wolverine fan. Go Bucks. I remember the countless phone calls I made just trying to get your attention, probably annoyed you, but I couldn't get enough.
I promise to build a life with you that feels like home. And I promise to never let a day go by without making sure you know how loved you are.
You are my best friend, my greatest gift, and the love I'll spend forever thanking God for.
Wow. Oh. Beautiful. You're like a Disney princess.
That's awesome.
By the power vested in me, it is my great joy to pronounce you husband and wife. Juan, you may kiss your bride. Family and friends, it is my honor to present to you for the very first time, Kayla and Juan Peña.
The first time I saw Juan with Kayla, I noticed something different about him. He was happier, calmer, and honestly just more himself. That's when I knew she wasn't just someone special, she was the one.
Suddenly, the nightlife was replaced by date night. The chaos was replaced by calm. She wasn't just a new chapter, she was the whole reason he finally closed the old book and started writing a masterpiece. Kayla, you are the first person he has ever truly changed his life for. And the best man I've known for years is now the best husband he can be because of you. Juan, your life with Kayla is the best story we've ever shared. Look at her, look at this room. Look at the life you've already built together. I couldn't be prouder of the man you've become.
They're officially husband and wife. These two are the most important people in my life, and not only in mine, but most important in my son Andrew's life. Today has been the most magical day as we all gather, both families and friends, together to show the love for these two. Brother and Kayla, your relationship has been amazing to watch, and I pray I find something like yours one day.
Having a front row seat to your love story, I've seen the way you two love each other through every season, with patience, laughter, and so much care. It's been such a gift to watch that love grow stronger over time. The two of you balance each other so perfectly. Your love feels steady, real, rooted in deep understanding. I've seen the way you look at her, Juan, like she's your home. And I think everyone here can see it too.
So here's to Kayla and Juan. If you want to drink again, raise them up. May your life be full of love, laughter, and just enough inappropriate moments.